So I'm Thomas Hudson, I'm 25 years old. Yeah, recently moved flat. So I'm into my fitness, so I'm training for a triathlon in the summer. So I really enjoy that. I like going through the parks, I like seeing people there, and yeah, hanging out with friends. So whether you're going to different restaurants, different bars, there's always something different to do. It is a lot of fun. So I just put into Google best websites for booking rooms. Badi was there, and that's how I found Badi. Definitely, because at least I knew, so in my circumstance when I'd actually paid and had a booking confirmed, I knew that that money wasn't going to be released until I think it was 48 hours after I'd been actually staying in the property, and effectively till I've confirmed this is a legitimate deal, I'm happy where I am. Whereas if you go and pay someone directly, you know, who knows what could happen. There's an Italian guy called Marco, who's a guitar teacher. He's one of my flatmates, and he eats a lot of cheese. We've definitely been hanging out. He likes to cook. He cooks me, you know, a good bolognese. I get on really, really well with him. Yeah, really happy.